Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of JWD Outdoors. Weston here. We got Daemian behind me. Well, initially, today we started out, got a lot of video. We drove almost 3 hours from home and tried catching some trout. Well, that didn't go as planned, so we're not even gonna put any of that video in there. But right now, we drove another, I don't know, about 100 miles to a different spot that I fished before for panfish, and me and Daemian got out here and we are starting to find the fish. We've caught so far, I think we got 6 keepers. We've been out here for probably about a half an hour, and we keep hole hopping. It's working. We got the GoPros running. Hopefully that'll be some decent video, but it depends. If the fish really start biting, we might set the shack up and try getting some video that way. Otherwise, we're just gonna keep hole hopping and just get some video with the GoPros, and we're looking to get enough for a fish fry. So far, I'm glad we came here because I'd rather do that than not get anything today after that journey we went through. So we'll see. Hopefully it'll be a good afternoon, and we'll keep you guys. Wow. We'll see. Hopefully it'll be a good afternoon. We'll keep you guys posted. There's a bunch down there now. We got a little aggressive deal going on here. There we go. I don't think it's very big. Oh! He did not feel that big. I just reached my arm down the damn hole and missed him. Another one. Not a bad gill. Just turned the camera off at the wrong time. It's a nice gill right there. Another nice gill. Thick fish too. I've been jigging in this hole for about 15 minutes and I already got 4. 3 of them, 3 nice bluegills, and then a crappie over there. So far it's looking all right. Got me a largemouth. Little bucket mouth. I knew from the bite when the rod went down, I'm like, yeah, that's not a bluegill. Alright guys. After 3 o'clock right now, we've caught a decent amount of fish. I think we only kept like 12 so far. Quite a lot of small ones, but the ones we did actually keep were actually pretty nice fish. A couple bluegill, well, every one of them is bluegill besides one crappie, so can't complain there. And got more fish too. Not too bad. Let's see. Not bad. Nice bluegill. Can't complain. He'll eat too. Heck yeah. We're still catching them. We're kind of stacked right now. Just gotta wean out some of the small ones, but keep you guys posted. And I don't know if we're gonna cook these up tonight or not, but we're definitely gonna have a fish fry shortly. Show you guys how we cook them as well. Stay tuned. Anything?
Nope. I can't catch fish apparently. punch a couple more holes,
I said I think the shack's everywhere, but in the right spot. Oh, adios, friend. No, little guy.
That bottom mark's the only fish. I like this hole.
Yeah, it's nice when you can find them stacked up like that.
Right.
Slowly but surely coming up to it. Are you kidding me? Why? What is going on here? What? Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna just try standing up again. I just hit my hook. That's a big mark.
Okay, drop your bait down. Nice, no bait, no bait. Don't you love that?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful gill. Beautiful. That's what we're after right there. It's gonna be mighty tasty. Jesus, damn thing hit it like no other. Oh yeah, but let's just break the hook off in the fish's mouth, or break the line, I should say. You kidding me right now? Oh my Lanta! Good God! You see that right there? It's a little fish. He's got my damn hook. So now I gotta get my pliers out and get my hook back. Got my pliers. Got my hook back. And back in he goes. Really?
Pretty little guy, but maybe in a couple years.
Alrighty guys, well, what turned into a crappy trout fishing day was actually a decent pan fishing day. We managed to get a few. I'm gonna shine your light in there.
Yep.
Not bad. Some nice bluegills in there. I don't even know how many there are. Yeah, a decent amount for only being out here for a couple hours. They're gonna be some good eating though. I think we're gonna get back home and cook them up for you. Show you how we do that as well. We're hungry. Been a hard day of fishing, and I could definitely go for some fresh fish.
$17.
17?
Yep. Not a bad day of fishing.
No. Not a bad day. Bad couple, 3 hours.
Right. Been here all day, we probably would have limited out.
Yeah. Alright, let's get the hell out of here.
Yep. Pretty good sized fillet.
Well, alright. Well, Daemian and I just got done cleaning all our fish we caught today, bluegills, and one crappie. I think we ended with like 18. Better than nothing. Nice fish. Got good fillets off them. But all we did, literally just soaked them in Buffalo Red Hot. You could use original, whatever else you want. All we're going to do is take it from the Red Hot. It's been marinating for about an hour now. Take it from the Red Hot, put it in flour with salt, pepper, and then drop it right into the grease. And we've done this before. It's actually really good. You'd think red hot and fish is a weird combination, but it's probably some of the best fish I've ever had. Just like that. Get it all nice and coated. It's gonna be delicious. Daemian's never had it yet, so you're in for a big surprise.
Yeah.
Just like that. Look at that. Mouth's watering. I'm making a mess too, don't mind that. Alright, I'm gonna see if this grease is actually hot enough to drop one of these in here. Oh yeah. Go ahead. Daemian's first time trying the red hot bluegill.
They're still really hot. But yeah, that's good. That's really good. Going for a little longer. And you just eat it like it's cold.
Mmm.
That's good.
Good.
Guys, that's a wrap for today's video. We're just finishing up cooking the fish we caught today. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, and there'll be more videos to come.